Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel, Anne's Aesthetics, where hopefully I can bring you a little bit of peace, happiness, and trippiness, just a whole vibe through painting tutorials today. We're focusing on a horror collage. This is part 4. If you have not checked out parts 1, 2, and 3, stop this video, rewind, and be sure to watch all of those. They are short. You're literally not even wasting 30 minutes of your life. Help a girl out. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I just traced out Jason, and then I'm using a black color as the basis for his coat. Thank you to the person who created these paintings so that we could be inspired today and recreate them. If you would like to check out their work, go to my Pinterest below, go to my board art and drawings, and you will find their artwork and their pin under that Pinterest. I repinned it. But I'm taking also black for the hair. Just going to fill that in. We are going to go over top of it later, but I'm taking this sky blue shade. It's the same shade I took for the Michael Myers knife, and I'm going to use it for the blade. You don't have to use this. You could use another light blue, or you could use like a light gray, whatever you feel like. I just wanted to go with a blue shade since I had the purple tones, so that's what I did. It's a little interesting that most of these horror characters have white masks. I don't understand. Because, again, we are going to be using white to paint his face. The only things I am not going to be painting today are going to be, well, today, I mean right this moment, are going to be those eyeballs, and then those little clips that clip the mask to his head. I don't know. I've done a total of 4 tutorials on how I do this glow, so hopefully one of them can explain. But first I am just taking the pink and I'm doing an outline, and then I'm blending it with my brush. And then for this one, I didn't end up using my fingers, but you can if you want for a little more blendedness. I just really like the effect that the brush was giving. I kind of found a new technique, which was patting harder with this longer brush, so I did like it. The style of your brush does matter, and the motion of the ocean also matters. Gosh, I need to stop. Anyways, we're going back in with a little more pink. I just wanted to darken that up a little bit more, and I'm going to blend it out because I thought it was a little too not blended. And then after that, I'm taking that magenta color I used for Michael Myers, and I am going to be using it to trace the jacket that Jason is wearing. We will also be using this to, actually, I lied. We're using a shimmery magenta color here because this is the black pen. This is the normal magenta. That's how you can tell the difference. The shimmeries, any of my shimmery acrylic markers are black, whereas the other ones are the actual color of the acrylic. Anyways, I'm using this magenta color, the purple pink for the knife, and then I'm going back in with the black to darken up the hair because I thought the pink glow kind of interfered, so I wanted to make it sharp again. Since I was going to be doing the eyes anyways, that's why I figured the hair was on the to-do list. So if I got the paint out, might as well use it, right? Amen. This is a bakery goods holder, and this is the end of a paintbrush. And what I did is I put some paint in the thing, and then I dipped the paintbrush in it, and I'm making the little holes for his mask. There's 3 on the one side. I'm doing 4 across the forehead, 3, well, total on that one side, and then 2 total on the other side, and then 3 in a triangle shape on the right side. And then I'm reflecting that down below as well. Here's a little bit closer view. You can screenshot if you'd like. Then I'm taking Diva Pink, which also I don't think I mentioned earlier. Diva Pink was the shade we used for the glow in the background. And I was just taking a light pink acrylic to highlight the inner part of the straps that are connecting that mask to his head. And right here I'm taking Diva Pink again to create the triangle shape on his forehead. The Lilac Mist is for highlighting the knife that Jason is holding. And then the white is for making these little dust balls, star balls, and little stars. Then I switched to acrylic white paint, my goodness. And I'm using that to highlight on the knife to make it look shiny and sharp. Doing the little hearts, and then never forgetting that signature. There we have it, my people. We are finished. 4 tutorials later, and we have 4 bad A characters. I really hope you enjoyed all these tutorials and this series. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel. I hope you have a wonderful, happy rest of your day. Bye-bye.